need to turn around cause I'm making a chin. Another time of this. Another time of this. It's the man with the master plan. I need to turn around cause I'm making another time of this. Another time of this.
Let's take him back to the future.
So knock it off, all these knockoff me's. The last thing the world needs is another me. But if you think this is part 2 to recovery, or love the way you lie, part 12, or something heartfelt, you about to make a discovery. Like you found Christopher Columbus's compass. Ain't dumb it down for you dumb, so suck it. I took your best punchline like a punch in the stomach that punctured a lung punk and I'm still functioning from it. Trumpet is nothing, now watch while I went up and toot my own horn. Once I think of something to trumpet, and I don't need a instrument to sound off like the trunk of an elephant, the triumphant return of the ether, spitting retard, reborn. But chances of you having another rebirth, slim to none, like a skinny Mother Teresa. Give a it's Easter, so kiss my keister, cause that's the only thing I turn the other cheek for.
I need to turn around cause I'm making a chin. Another time of this. Another time of this. It's the man with the master plan. I need to turn around cause I'm making another time of this. Another time of this.
Let's take him back to the future.
So knock it off, all these knockoff me's.